Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to go over Cardano. Let's take a look at this. We are currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. If you guys are brand new to this channel, you know that we've never taken a loss. And guys, sometimes in the market, you just have to hold. And I know the whole HODL, the guy on Reddit that spelled hold wrong and spelled it HODL, kind of took over in this crypto market here. But what are you going to do? ADA is down at 86 cents. I know a lot of people ended up FOMOing in at this price here, but let's just be honest. There's a lot of people who actually ended up getting in up here at this higher level. They're like, oh my gosh, we got to get in because we're going to the moon. And I know you might be watching this video right now with me. Some of you guys are down about 71% on this trade. That's why I've been telling you guys there's a lot of accounts right now in the crypto market that are down between 50 to 60%. Okay, so watch the Ethereum video. I really wanted to just something that was on my heart this morning was, what about everyone out there that just feels like they're so frustrated that the market's just going to keep going down and they really needed the money they were trading with and they don't know what to do. They're like, I'm losing money every day and I don't know what to do. Somebody give me some wisdom for risk management. Somebody give me something. I want to give you guys something in this video. And this sounds weird to try to preface it with this, but guys, we've never lost a trade. Anyways, sometimes it's good to just quantify hey, where have you been? So you can give your audience a little bit of information of, Travis, have you been through the trenches to validate what you're about to share with us? That's the reason why I want to show you guys our win rate. Something that you guys can do right now, if you guys are if you're in a huge loss right now, and you're like, I don't think I'm going to make this back, and please listen, there's a second part to this. If you're in a huge loss and you are convinced this is going to keep tanking back down, let's say to 25 cents, okay? If you believe those two things and you're in a loss right now, I'm not a financial advisor, but here is some wisdom of how to risk manage your trade right now. You guys can take out 25% or up to 50% of your trade that you have currently open right now. Okay? Let's say right now that you guys FOMOed into those higher positions up here and you guys are down a lot. What you can choose to do, I would say, I would personally, I'm not going to do this because I'm holding, but if you guys did this, I would personally look to take 25%. You could take 25% out of your trade or 50%, and you could put that into cash. Then with that cash, you could use the buy limits. I'm going to show you guys how to access today on Cardano, which is what we use for every trade, and set those buy limits up again down here. What does that do for you? It immediately stops the amount of bleeding that is happening in your account because you are now not losing on 100% of your position. You are losing on, let's say, 50% of your position with a first buy limit hit. So that means the second 50% of your position is split into 4 equal portions. And so now you've completely, and you've literally stopped the amount of bleeding in your account. Okay? That is very good risk management. And then if the price continues to go down further, what do you acquire that you could have never acquired before? An actually better break-even entry that will move down with you as more buy limits get hit. And then that means you will actually make more money as the price goes back up with the other 50%. That is the greatest wisdom. Guys, I'm a Christian. I pray and I ask God almost every morning, not every morning, I forget sometimes, but I'm like, God, I want wisdom and discernment for my family that I'm with on these channels. And I think some of you guys are looking at this, you're like, I'm going to lose it and I don't know what to do. It's just something I felt in my heart and I want to start this video out. So those of you guys who are in that position, you could sell 25 to 50% if you wanted to, restructure with the buy limits. I'll show you guys how to access today, and that will immediately stop the bleeding. If we start heading back up, you've got 50% back in the market and you can make it back up, okay? The other alternative, that is what I'm going to personally be doing, is simply holding. Okay? The Ethereum video, I went over this in detail, but I'm going to blast through this extremely fast. If you guys are in the negative right now, obviously we're down 44.03%. Like literally, that is the trade that I am in for ADA. And I know this channel is not like just a news channel where we show stuff. We are trading with a live account with $150,000 every video. We are trading with over $100,000, okay? We put our money on the line, and it's not always easy, okay? That's why sometimes these channels, anyways, I won't go there. Sometimes people actually respect these channels more if people trading live money because it's just more fun to actually feel like someone else is in the trenches with you guys, okay? I'm going to hold this. If anything, I'm going to talk to my wife. If we break down here to 50 cents and we're going to just buy the dip again with other money. Everybody has jobs, right? Most of you guys have jobs. You're getting paid. Why not take maybe 5 to 10% of what you get paid every 2 weeks and look to set up new buy limits? That's what I did over here. I put in $49,000 into the market over here and bought a bunch of crypto because we just saved up. You guys, it doesn't matter if it's $5 or $10. You guys can buy the dip even further. The goal is to get your dollar cost average entries as low as you can while having your break-even entry move down with you. That is the name of the game. It's either crypto goes back up or it tanks to zero. And if you believe it's going to go to zero, take all your money out right now. Why is that not the most smart thing to do? And then just buy when it's at zero again. I think most of you guys watching this are like, no, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to be patient. And I'm proud of you guys who we're talking to over email. And you're like, Travis, I see this now. It is about risk management and it's about patience. Okay, so that's what I want to lead you guys in with in today's video. I'm sorry this is a little bit longer, but I just felt it on my heart. There's some people watching these videos this morning. They're like, I don't know what to do. So let me get into the metrics and show you guys how we're going to use our tools to literally help us decide what's going to happen in the market here. Price versus money flow, trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, all red. All retail trader indicators are red, guys. This is where I think the pumps are going to come. It happens when retail traders get nervous in the market and they start pushing the price back down. Okay, watch this morning as this updates here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's currently 7:53, so we still have some time here. This will most likely push down into get closer to the anxious section. All right, we saw a pump back up here, and we brought ourselves out of fearful because we saw a pump. The market thought we were coming back up, but we're probably going to push down closer to the anxious section here. Okay, those of you guys who are looking at the trend exhaustion in the bottom section, in the well money flow low here. What do you guys know I look for here? When this is down at these lower prices here, I'm looking for the market to reverse. Yes, sometimes we head down further. And if it does head down further, it's actually more of a sign that we're going to move back up. Okay? And then you guys see trend exhaustion push to top red section, well money flow high, and this is where you see moves back down. Guys, I can't tell you, like, I've been on some coaching lately, and I am blown away by how many of you guys use our indicators to scalp the market. Like, this is prior to the masterclass. And I hear people being like, we're doing really, really good money. And so for those of you guys who want to scalp this, like, congratulations for everybody who went short. This is for a lot of my overseas clients. It's not, I'll be honest, guys, it's not that easy. It's kind of impossible almost to go short in the US with a regulated broker. Okay, most of you guys have to kind of cheat the system and use a VPN. I don't use VPNs. I personally don't think it's morally right to lie where you're at. You make your own decision, okay? So once the trend exhaustion is pushed in the top red section and well money flow is high, this is where you guys are looking to scalp the market for 3 to 4%. Guess what, guys? You're in a position right now to look to scalp the market again. All of the thousands of people who watched that scalping masterclass we came out with, and I'll try to show this to you guys if I have a second here, you guys are looking for that entry right now. Right now, as you're listening to my voice right now, this is a very good place to look to get some money into the market. Okay, you're looking for that 3 to 4%. All you're looking is to scalp 3 to 4%. That's all you're doing. And then make sure you guys are setting up the buy limits. You know, I'm talking about this so much. Let me show this to you guys. Once you come over to our website, tradeconfident.io, click on crypto charts and watch this first section right here. New scalping masterclass available. Okay, I'll leave this on over the weekend. I'll take this off on Monday because you guys can literally just come over here, go to the masterclass videos and scroll down and you'll access it at the bottom here. The masterclass video is right here so you guys can see that, all right? Because I don't want to clutter the front page. I might actually remove that today. Just know it's under the masterclass and then you guys can scroll down, okay? Come back over here. It is a good way to make some money while we're holding positions, okay? And I might even join this with you guys coming next week, okay? Look at this, guys. Indicators in the description. You guys saw a little pop-up there that I just put on the video, so you guys can see that. All right. The emotional index here, as I said, we're probably going to push down here a little bit. Did you guys see that? I think our metrics literally just updated because we're pushing at 8 o'clock. Yeah, I think we literally just did. So cool. All right. We're getting down here closer to the anxious section here. And this is where if we head any lower, demand is going to take over. I really believe this, guys. So people who are thinking about selling this market right now, I don't know, guys. I think this is actually a time that we're going to probably see a turnaround. As far as long and short trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex, very clear chart you guys can see here. Short trades are basically staying steady. Long trades are staying steady. It is indecision. Nobody knows if we're going to keep going down. Nobody knows if we're going to keep going up. You know, a lot of times I scroll through YouTube, and I think a lot of people are scrolling through YouTube trying to find thumbnails that validate what they want to believe. Do you guys get that? Like, we do this in life a lot. If we feel like we're in a pinch in something and we really want something to happen, we will search out information that will back up what we believe we think should happen or what we want to happen. I'll tell you guys, this is one of the, if you call it one of the cardinal sins, if you want, of trading, this is one of them. You guys need to understand, like, once we became profitable and we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, I completely stopped looking at news, articles, and I stopped telling myself what I think I wanted to hear. I did. I was like, because here's the thing, guys, whenever you're in a bear market, what are you clicking on? You're clicking on all the bullish thumbnails. You're clicking on all of them. Why? Because you need and you want hope in your soul, don't you? You really want it. And that's not bad, but you need to understand that if you are looking for hope, there is possibly a correlation that you are trading emotionally. I'll tell you guys honestly, when I look at these markets here and I get into here, I trade like a robot. I know this isn't fun and it's not sexy, but most of you guys want to trade to get a dopamine rush because it is fun and is a sense of gambling. And if you're at that stage in life, don't beat yourself up. Just be honest with yourself. I'm in this market to gamble and I'm in here to have fun. But I'll tell you guys, if you really want to start winning trades and never lose trades and have really good risk management, this was something that someone told me. When trading becomes boring, you become profitable. Because I'm not on YouTube looking for price predictions anymore of how high can this go? How high can that go? No, it comes back down to two things: risk management strategy and patience. That's eventually what it will always come back down to. Give yourself time and grace to go have fun and jump around the pump coins if you want. That's fine. You can make some great money. But for those of you guys who eventually get stimulated out of that and you're like, I just need to keep my money safe and I want to make a decent amount per year and beat all other investments, that's what we're doing over here. That's what we're doing. We have the healthiest account. We will do tens of thousands of dollars before everyone else. When they hit their break-even entries, we will have done tens of thousands and probably push up to around $200,000 in our account, while everyone is still below their break-even entries for those that FOMO'd into higher prices. That is the difference. That is the difference. You don't hear about pump coins when the market's going down, do you? But we're going to be the quote-unquote pump coin channel when we start pushing back up here because we'll be in profit before everyone else. That is what this risk managed strategy offers to you guys. Okay. Thank you guys for just letting me share my heart this morning. I want to just make these videos more personal and not just like, oh, look at the metrics, look at the analysis, but like people are really struggling with stuff. And I want to be here as like a coach and someone you guys can trust and someone that's like real. Like, oh my gosh, I think people just want real, honest people on YouTube. Not here to get clickbait, not here to make money off the monetization on YouTube, not here to like sell a bunch of stuff. And I'll be honest, guys, like I do a lot of selling in the videos. Now I'm unapologetic for that because I know how many people we're selling. So I'm not taking myself out of that, put myself at some weird hierarchy spot. But I really think honesty of just somebody tell me what they're really feeling and somebody sympathize with me and give me some help, I think what people are looking for. Okay. And let's move into this a little bit further. Okay. Market cap, guys. Overall, the green line moving down is showing you literally the on-chain metric for the actual market cap of Cardano. There's no faking this whatsoever. Okay. This is literally a coded in a metric here. People are drastically taking their money out of Cardano. They're not confident in here. Where is it going? Two places: altcoins and stablecoins. There's no other spots. Yeah, they can go to stablecoins and exit from the exchange. That's fine too, but it's going to other altcoins and it's going to stablecoins. Guys, look at this. Stablecoins, USDT and USDC. In the top 5 crypto, really, the two stablecoins are number 3 and 5. What does this tell you? You need to understand how to interpret that. Because some of you guys will look at this chart and be like, oh, that's interesting. Why is it interesting? It's because that's telling us that people are uncertain the market's going to go back up. You guys want to know the number one precursor that I'm honestly looking for to see the market turn around is to have USDC drop and to have stablecoin USDC drop. But why? Why is that the precursor? It tells you that people are moving their money out of stablecoins and out of staking because they believe they can make more money in the crypto markets. That is the psychological and the pinpoint turnaround I am watching over here to see Tether and USDC coin drop out of the top 5 and out of the top 10, because that means the market cap of other altcoins will be higher, showing that people think the bull market is here or it's coming even stronger because they think they can make more than their per annum percentage in their stable coins per year. Okay? I want to just give you guys a full analysis of why we believe what we believe and why we trade how we trade. Okay, trades in favor, guys. We're just sitting in the neutral section. You know, it's not a crazy video. I come out here and say, guys, we're looking for the drop. No, that was the other day. That was the other day in short trades, and that's where you guys could have taken that short here. And everybody who took this with our scalping masterclass, you all made 3 to 4%. If you shorted with leverage, 2x%. If you feel comfortable with that, I don't recommend you guys use leverage. I recommend cash. But if you guys shorted, you're looking at between 3 to 4%. That's 6 to 8% you guys made. And guess what? You're all turning around this morning, and you're going to do it right again. There you guys go. Like, start making some more money. I'm making money as it goes up as well because we've got entries in here, and every time it goes up, our account goes up by thousands of dollars. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, what are these guys doing? We saw this incredible metric to the downside of short trades coming out. And then what happened, guys? The market dropped. We're not talking about the market dropped after. We're talking about the exact moment this came out right here was at the peak, and that was the precursor for the drop. Again, my scalpers out there, get these 2 indicators with the bundle pack and watch these metrics. When you guys see this trend exhaustion in the top red section and well money flow high, and you guys see institutions over here, you are literally joining well and institutional smart money into their shorts. Literally, you guys are joining them because I coach millionaires and some big hedge funds that I've coached that use our metrics and our indicators, and they are doing the same thing, and they are making a ridiculous amount of money. Because every time they see they come out over here to shorts, they're following and they're making money, and they're making money, and they're making money, and they're making money. Okay? And they're making money. Even on the way back up, guys, taking long trades, they're making money back up. They're making money back up here, and looking at the long trades here, they're either break even or they made a little bit of money already and they exited. The amount of confirmation we can get from these metrics is just kind of ridiculous. All right, that's why our channel and our membership is actually exploding right now. You guys are seeing, like, I think we just got to, I don't know, go there. Gumroad, our partner for our indicators, emailed us yesterday. They're like, you guys are in the top 200 sellers of all of Gumroad. And I think we actually might have the number 1 selling product on all of Gumroad, which is the bundle pack of indicators. We rank number 1 for education, trading, Bitcoin, and indicators. And it's just kind of crazy. People understand that these work, and people are making tens of thousands of dollars. So I'm sorry, I mean to turn that into a sales pitch right there. Sometimes I get passionate about this because you're like, you guys are flipping through the channels. You're like, no, maybe some other day. People are already making money. I just want to show this to you guys. And right now, you do have a very good setup for a scalp. Just letting you guys know. Okay. Support and resistance prices here. The next resistance for ADA I'm looking for, it's just $1. Like, this isn't difficult, guys. It's just $1. Once we get to $1, probably going to head back down again. Once we get to 83 cents, that's probably where we're going to see a bounce. Just structure low here. Very simple. Looking for a bounce right here. Get your scalping trade setups. 3 to 4%. Probably pretty easy. You guys are going to make to keep your risk management set up. Keep your risk management set up in that video. But you guys will probably do very well. All right, 2 more metrics, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup to trade like we do. And that's the same setup we use to not lose trades. Entry here. You guys are looking great entry. Watch for another green line to come out here, giving you guys another dollar cost average entry in here to head back up. Do you see the descending triangle here? Guys, this thing is primed for an absolute explosion. This is why I'm being patient and I'm holding. I'm not nervous, guys, at all. I hope you guys hear it in my tone of my voice, and I try to keep these videos as authentic as possible. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Let me just be honest with you guys. Sometimes I get on these videos in the morning sometimes, and I'm like really jacked, and I just blast through the videos, and I'm like, man, I don't think that was really personable, but we got some decent data out. Today in my heart, it was just like, I want to feel like a friend to you guys and really sympathize with you. Like, it just kind of sucks to trade sometimes. It just sucks. And sometimes the emotions are just really strong, and you don't know what to do. So I want to sympathize with you guys and help you give you solutions. So I want to, hopefully I can turn this channel more into that, because I think people are dying for just honest people that aren't out here just to make money off their ads on YouTube. Okay, I said it. All right. Looking at this down here, if we get another move back up in the market, we're probably going to see another dip back down. So watch that. Once we get back up here, I'll be watching that. And if you guys are scalping, you're going to see that in the market here. I'm just going to be patient, guys, and wait for us to push back into the profit here. Guys, I did enter into a position down here on ADA when we entered in the $49,000. I'm going to hold that trade. Here's another secret. You guys want another secret here? I'm sorry this video is longer, but okay. I say that and the video becomes longer. Okay, here's another secret in trading. Most people will hold a short position, or excuse me, a losing position or short position. They'll hold their losing position far longer than they'll hold their long position into the profit. I got in down here around the 75-cent mark. Like I literally think we did get in at like 75 cents. Okay. I could try to show it to you guys on another, I covered it on YouTube already. I'm going to hold this until we are back in the profit at structure high around here. I'm going to do 130% on this trade. Seriously, because I'm not going to wait until this gets back up here because I'm just going to exit the other trade I have open over here in the profit. That is why I'm going to show you guys how to demonstrate patience. And some of you guys are like, man, I don't have a channel out there that's actually going to demonstrate patience like this. Let me be that. Let me be that guy. Like I will demonstrate patience to you guys and show this to you because I'm just gonna hold. I've already made my mind up. Like I'm just gonna hold till the profit up here because that's gonna give us a win on the trade down here, and it's also gonna give us a win on the trade here. So follow me in the Telegram channel, and I'll be with you guys emotionally and financially in this dip and as we go back up. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Trade setup for today. I don't want to reveal too much of this. This is for our members only, but scroll down here and look at this. Here's what I do want to show you guys is how to get into this trade, and we're going to show you on the Bitcoin charts. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, scroll all the way down here. All right. What you guys are going to do to get into an ADA trade today, this is with our strategy as well as for those of you guys who want to scalp the markets, okay? Here are your 4 buy limits. Right here, we're looking at Bitcoin. I know. ADA is over here. Pretend this is ADA. What you're going to do is you're going to choose the amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Now place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. And then once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green. Okay? Here's what you guys are going to do here. You're just setting up those 4 different buy limits. That's all you're doing. Once your first one's hit, set up the sell limit, which is in green, which I believe is somewhere around this area. Once you do that, follow me in the Telegram channel, and I will give you guys all of the calls that I'm making, every exit I make, every entry I make. If I put more money in the market, I'll tell you exactly the coins that I'm buying and the day that I'm buying it. So you guys can all copy my dollar cost average entries, all of them, okay? So you guys can literally copy my channel, which we have the healthiest account we can find in the bear market right now. And that means a lot to some of you guys because you've worked really hard for your hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars for some of you guys I coach. And you're like, no way, I don't want to risk any more money. So I'll teach you guys how to keep it safe here. Okay, Telegram channel access is here. That will give you guys access into the Telegram. So make sure you guys just click that. Okay. Indicators. Let me talk about this and then we'll end the video here. By the way, pricing, I'm sorry I don't think I've gone over this yet. Our membership is just $95 a month. You guys can snag this, get access to all of our metrics as well as the Telegram channel where I'm calling all of the calls here. The masterclass videos are open and we're going to be going live on Zoom here with the entire community. So make sure you guys get in before that. March 10th from 3 to 4 p.m., we're going to be going live in a Zoom call, and we're just going to hang out as a family. You guys come over here, go to the Inner Circle Hangout, and you scroll down here, and you guys will see right here, we're going to be going live on March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m., and I will be putting the channel, the Zoom link for that event. It's going to be posted in Telegram. So make sure you guys just have your membership, log into Telegram. Here's how you get into Telegram. Click here, click Telegram. I don't want to show it because it shows actually the hot link you guys click, but get into Telegram with that, and you guys will be able to join us there. Okay? Indicators. So you guys can see this. 82% off is what we got for all the indicators today. I know we're in a bear market, so we're just keeping this really cheap for you guys. For those of you guys who are brand new to this channel, 82% off. Snag our indicators, guys. The scalping that you guys can do. Like some of you guys are literally going to purchase this, and depending on the amount that you guys are trading with, you're going to make your money back in one trade. I know some of you guys who have large accounts, you'll easily do this. But seriously, guys, scalping this market is not a bad idea. And watch that masterclass. You need these 2 indicators. It is the trend exhaustion and is the price for swell money flow. To copy my charts, you need these 3. To get these 3, use coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout. Okay, save money. That's it. It's very simple, okay? But getting the bundle pack will actually give you guys access to all 9 of these indicators, all 9 of them, including some Forex ones, and it's basically the same price. So best deal, guys, just get the bundle pack. That's what I recommend you guys doing. So I have that in the description for you guys, as well as I pinned it to the first comment. You guys can probably find it easier if you go down in the comment section and just look at the first comment. I pinned it. It says 82% off today, and it says indicator bundle. And just click that. It'll take you to this page, and then click this, and you guys will go over to Gumroad and be able to check out. So that's all you guys are doing. It's pretty awesome. So there you guys go. Have an amazing, amazing day. Really, guys, it's just time to buy the dip. Buy the membership. Click the links in the description. Great entry for you guys who are scalping this market back up. I think this is a very good entry for you guys. Use those dollar cost average entries that I showed you on the charts here, and then it's going to be very hard to lose that trade. Make some money over this weekend. Everything you need here to make money is set up for you guys, so make sure you take advantage of it. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video starting Monday. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. All right. Bye, guys.